let's say, Patrick, give me a space. In the year 2008, Mekai say you no more opposition NDC for a can somewhere where we are seeing now send a president for akwa fa antafo bi wakwa ofri datonta for president Kufuor appointees ni na ya for. We heard so many things. Almost can say they win now because of their thirst for power. Because of their thirst for power. And he said after the year 2008 ni nechi. Se unye bi anya free education eko. Se unye bi anya NAPCO ko. Se one kasa when you're planting for food and jobs because se one kasa when you bring Okada for car ibi ye. Na se what na ho say party for mema wiska. Party head in face can be share with Semintino. Ye she mawa. Minye na nye hwe ho ye pa because to me wa ho ehwere wa. To me ehwere wa. Na the American is onyankopon mo ayen. Na yen ya sebi ye wo the foresight and knowing how and Nana Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia NPP-led government at the Ghana economy, we will channel and trumpet out the good things some more. Near give you deaf ear to this occult group. Your friend, who say your political party. Now you actually if you know how one more frag Ghana get to your Ghana get to Hosa. I remember you. First half we back for now we call Odianye Yana who say sa 8 years 4 years 8 years no and one my yen to me ye den to me ye dia ye because ye nya papa bi your friend His Excellency John Dramani Mahama betena de so eniema ye dija na wen to me wie ba kopo de otumi wie ye no so nsuo to ana ewa yiri de ono ankasa start ye so a wen wie watena opposition more than 2 years 4 years 5 years afa mom and as you who say yes, you can't acquire yes, Mahama, Yahoo yes, hospital, Mahama administration, Yahoo see I pokuase, yes, Mahama administration, just say, Atasia, ye then, Akayen, ain't sorry, Yaba, yes, one is a nedia baby, a baby, I am friend to. But God is so good, say, some of us Ghanaian are very discerning, and we are making sure, say, all these truths will be brought to light. Starting off, we'll be saying greeting His Excellency. John Dramani Mahama Manunti, Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I greet you from political zone wherever you are. I pray that God opens your eye to see these vultures around you that are not letting the little vision, and I said the vision you just want to complete, be known, because they always come and they confuse you, and you also feed into their fuckery. But at the same time, we still greet you wherever you are, you and your broken down party. May God help you guys that in the year 3078. When God has mercy on your grandchildren, to start learning how to govern without violence, to start learning how to govern without lies, to start learning how to govern with data, fact, and truthfulness, God might give NDC a chance again. But as at now, as you guys have shown Ghanaians, unless the Ghanaian who is daft, Ghanaian only munyansa, and Obeka so no be Ghanaian and so Kotuaba, Ediama NDC, with what they have shown. They started the first part at the 8th parliament with a fight, say, you have a president to swear in, so if you don't give us what we want, you will not swear in. Tintin, yabekon, ye butu nkrofo, ye bubu masha komu, and who was the round one. A side review, Yantias ye, Yasia country speaker Kunya, ye key speaker Kunyano, and no answer ye. The same Bukafu, we are me betana, Casa, Nabimo Peso, Moyamino, yes, some more chance to say, I see a be a muamamo, Bonsambe trade, Yamubi to Gaya, Yerashe, ya. Now, you say fraud for NDC MP, I want 2017. What dance and woman for fraud? Yatchen for fraud. And then the NDC are before way to meet Jessica. Emma Kwasiam Penny said to me the blade, the son also the MP, Echo Chan and young parliamentarian. And so now just a Ghana credit and echo. Ghana, what is really happening to Ghana? Look at the quality of MPs we have had from the past. Now we show Bokafo do DB we are before party for we akofa de Ghana for Obi anka yatsene for fraud. What them for fraud? To me ba ebe jina for election primaries NDC wini ebe represent criminal party NDC ebe win the power say MP eko represent say we are going to distract government jobs and unti no the blade is any bottom no the parliament then kemu ye depend book agene na eko. But it shows you who they are. A ban of real substance. These NDC MPs, they are chaff. And I call it that way because now I will not take Ochini Adu from Haruna, double salary. To sa Oba Fumbino, no swabage now, say the money is 20 yen channel. And Kwasia for San NDC 4% Umudibu mine. Now, you're not me person NDC 40 as yes. So I'm person me dear Jimmy for Bumaya. Yes, Romo, Parliament, where you fed Jimmy for because Parliament speaks with law. So I'm pay gidi for omuko bukom banku any aite powers from no mun bia bukom arena nimu no mun te political party ni political bibia wo no mun form nkom ho no mun fenjin wo Ghana because say ban say ye ban brase bedwamu a ye de nyansa agene na when you now supposed to show to you the ordinary Ghanaian watching me today. The ordinary Ghanaian watching me today should tell you say these NDC MPs don't know Foko Oma Bon. NDC for MPC boka. The first day they sang revolution on the floor of parliament should have told you, say, they don't understand why they are there. They are there to just do party work. And I told you people, I begged you people, please let's be careful what we are doing. My speaker, Munya president. That was the first hostage they held Ghanaian for. They finally got that. Now everything government does, they said they will obstruct it. Such a stupid party was able to put taxes as high as 17.5% on Ghanaians. Introduce 9 taxes at the same time, but cannot take 1.75% of a tax to develop a country. They don't want you to borrow. They don't want you to bring tax. They don't want to do nothing. When you ask them, they tell you they have cocoa. Now, I beg for you to say until a coup for the bass, your cocoa no crown name standard. We have oil. Now, I beg for you to say until a coup for the bar, me a 2 oil or Ghana, so Ghana be the oil sick and not on the a whole manganese of Ghana. I buy bit to make the Kwama Japan for. Now ye nyash you. Ye pot, ye disia wa. Edi triaka, edema French billionaire, tema pot, edema French billionaire. This party runs down everything Ghana can benefit from. You leave them Black Star ship line, they come and sell everything under JJ Runners. You leave them state transport, they come and diversify everything, collapse everything Ghana can build on. Then the same stupid Abodan for party way comes back to tell Ghanaians to say they want to protect the public purse. When their stupid party sat in power, didn't pay electricity bill when you were paying your away bills to them. When you were paying your monthly bills to this stupid Abeifo party, they were not paying that bill until who they sumu for 4 years. Ghana ni kai. Wumba, walk bosia, and tongue won tomaton will be dear man who didn't call university. Sank 1 year school, one benya jumano. Party, I would donna who come nipa nadia Muslim come nipa di power no. South party ni country will say, na allowance the crown no diko school no. Obe chums and nothing of better about the Tiana, onto a Benfentiana, Mammy and the war gun and then your real fee. Mammy, I would do back old school university say, and Kakoleri Sube to me Baba show, and then the old year and I saw call His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, or catch them say on your magician. I'm not a magician to create jobs. I'm not a magician to put money in your pocket.